Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. It's a fabulous day again. Today I'm going to be talking to you about reviving curly hair. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around.
Action fun and back to Lock 19 with Marta.
We all know that if you have curly hair, it looks great right after you shampooed it and dried it with product. But what happens the next day or the third day? Well, your hair gets a little bit fuzzy looking because the curls are no longer defined and it gets knotted, right? So I'm going to tell you what I do to revive my hair without washing it all over again, because it does have such a nice look right after I wash it. The first thing I do is that I start to detangle it, but I don't put a comb through it. I try to avoid a comb and a brush as much as possible, and I just detangle it gently with my fingers because I don't want to break my hair. So that's the first thing I do. I go through my entire head of hair detangling it. It takes a long time. When my hair is thoroughly detangled, then I go ahead and I use a comb like this and I gently go through it. If at any point I feel a tug, I stop and I detangle it with my fingers because I want to make sure I don't break any of my hair. That's what's going to cause, frizz. You don't want that. You want to take care of your hair as much as possible, especially if you have it long. And if you have it processed or if you color it, you're going to have, you have to be more careful because it's weaker. So you've got to be careful with your hair. So you go through your entire head of hair, you make sure it's all detangled, and then what you do is you get a spray bottle. Spray bottle with water in it. If you want, you can put some oils in this bottle, a light argan oil, and you can shake it around, or you could put maybe some avocado oil, but that might be a little too thick. But if you want, you can put oil in your bottle. And what you're going to do is you're going to mist through your hair lightly, not too much, because you're not wanting to soak down your hair. What you want to do is you want to put some, that was a big squirt. You want to put some moisture into your hair, and you don't want to weigh it down or soak it. So that's what you do. And I have found that sometimes I don't need to go down in the underneath part of my hair that often because it's not going to show. It's the top part of my crown that we want to take care of. So you go through, you get it wet, and not wet, you get it moistened. And when you feel that it's pretty good, pretty moistened, then you go through it again like this, fingers, making sure that there are no tangles, because hair like mine, if it's curly, if you have curly hair, you're going to find that it's going to tangle. I get the tips because that's dry, so I want to get that. And I just check for the right amount of moisture in the hair. After doing this for many years, you get a feel for it. You know how much is the right amount. So you go through it, and I don't comb it. I feel that I've already detangled it with a comb, and if I have any knots, I'm going to go and use my fingers. Now after this, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. And that leave-in conditioner is going to be a treatment for my hair, and it's also going to help define my waves or curls. So somehow this side seems drier. I don't know. Leave-in conditioner. I have two. I have this one, which everybody knows I love, Lanza. You should try this. It is a healing leave-in conditioner. It's excellent, especially if you have colored hair. It's not going to affect the color of your hair. And I'm also using this one lately from Ion Repair BB Cream. And I like this one too. This is a 10-in-1 multi-benefit beauty balm for your hair. So it restores shine, adds softens, promotes strength. The reason I am using this one today is because I like using this right after I wash my hair, or maybe on the second day of having washed my hair. But I'm at the third day at this point, and at the third day I find this product to be lighter. I don't want to overcoat my hair. It starts feeling icky and dirty. So this is very watery, as you can see. I really like to use this later on. I like this product, okay? You know, people say, how can you like so many products? Well, every product does something better in one area than another one. There's no, in my opinion, there really is no product that does it all really good. So this one I like because, first of all, it has a fabulous scent. I mean, the scent is, oh my gosh, it's like perfume. It is so good. I really like it. And secondly, it's extremely light in texture. The formulation is a very light textured product. So it's just different. It's a different kind of good product. So yeah, you can like more than one foundation. You can like more than one leave-in conditioner. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So after I put this on my hair, and you can see that I did not put that much in there. There is no need to put that much in there. Then I start to crunch it like this. I start to crunch it, and if I can grab it from the bottom and bring it into a nice little crunch ball like this, that's even better, because that's really gonna give me some more defined waves. Okay, see, look at that. And then I just let it dry on its own. I just let it dry on its own, grab it from the bottom and start putting it in my little crunch ball. That's what I call a crunch ball. And I'm all good. I'm good to go. I let it dry on its own, and I'll be a happy camper, and so will my hair, because it'll be softer. So there we go. You can see already that it doesn't look fuzzy looking. It's just looking a lot better already, and it's still a little wet. So when it dries up, it's going to dry up without having frizz and fuzz. I hope that you liked this video, and I please hope you subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.